1. Robert Koch discovered the bacteria responsible for tuberculosis in 1882. 2. Hugo Chavez became the president of Venezuela in 1999. 3. Ferdinand Magellan was the explorer who led the first successful expedition to circumnavigate the globe, from September 20, 1519, to September 6, 1520. 4. The largest gland in the human body is the liver. 5. The largest moon of Pluto is Charon. That moon is about half the size of Pluto. 6. In 1974, George Emil Palade won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. He was born on November 19, 1912, in Iași, Romania. 7. Alpha Centauri is the closest solar system to ours, located at 4 light-years from Earth. 8. A solar day on Mercury is twice as long as its year, 176 Earth days versus 88 Earth days. 9. The fastest spinning planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Because of that, a day on Jupiter is just under 10 hours long. 10. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India after independence. India gained independence in 1947. 11. Gold is a metal because it has metallic properties, such as high electrical and thermal conductivity. 12. The Hobbit, a novel by J.R.R. Tolkien, was published in 1937. 13. The official languages in Madagascar, an island country on the southeastern edge of the African continent, are Malagasy and French. 14. South Africans call Nelson Mandela Madiba as a sign of respect and affection. 15. The U.S. Open golf tournament has 4 rounds and is one of the most important golf tournaments in the world. 16. The capital city of Azerbaijan is Baku. It's the largest city in the country and an important cultural, economic, and political center. 17. The cerebellum is responsible for the coordination of movement, balance of the body, etc. 18. Huascarán is the highest mountain in Peru. Its maximum height is 6,768 meters, 22,205 feet. 19. The most common chemical element in the universe is hydrogen. The second one is helium. 20. Because most adult neurons are highly complex cells and have specific connections to other neurons, they cannot be replaced if destroyed.